Welcome to our Grooming Showdown. Today we're diving into a detailed comparison between two popular grooming kits from Showdown, the 17-piece beard trimmer and the 14-piece hair clippers kit. Both kits promise to meet your grooming needs, but they cater to different preferences and budgets. Let's find out which one truly stands out in terms of features, performance, and value for money. Stay tuned as we break down the key aspects of each product. Let's start with the price. The 17-piece beard trimmer kit is priced at $99, making it a premium option. In contrast, the 14-piece hair clippers kit offers a more budget-friendly price of $58. This significant price difference raises questions about the value each kit provides. While the 17-piece kit boasts more accessories, the 14-piece kit emphasizes essential features at a lower cost. Which one offers better value for your grooming needs? Next, let's look at the accessory count. The 17-piece beard trimmer kit includes a wide range of attachments, providing maximum versatility for various grooming tasks. On the other hand, the 14-piece hair clippers kit, while slightly less comprehensive, still covers essential grooming needs. The question is, do you need all those extra accessories, or will the essentials suffice for your grooming routine? Finally, we compare battery performance. The 14-piece hair clippers kit boasts an impressive 90-minute runtime and a rapid charge feature, allowing for quick touch-ups. In contrast, the beard trimmer kit does not specify its runtime, leaving potential buyers wondering about its performance. If battery life is a crucial factor for you, the 14-piece kit may have the edge in this category. In conclusion, both grooming kits from Showdown offer unique advantages. The 17-piece beard trimmer kit provides a comprehensive solution for those who want versatility and a wide range of accessories, while the 14-piece hair clippers kit excels in value and battery performance. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your grooming needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and grooming